Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So you need to just follow my screen, don't miss any steps, and we will fix this issue together. So don't worry. In the first step, we need to go to the device manager. For that, you can search from here, device manager. You'll get the search result from here. Also, you can right click on the start icon and select device manager. Once we are here, we need to expand the display adapters, and for the particular device, right click on it, select properties and go to drivers tab. We need to update the drivers. For that, we have to click on update drivers and click on the search automatically. So it will install the drivers automatically. Once done, close all windows one by one, and then just go to search bar, type your task manager, then click on run new task, select browse button and go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder, then we need to open system32 folder and search for cmd.exe file. To find out quickly, press C on your keyboard and you will get this cmd file quickly. So select it and click on open. Now check this box, it will create this task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the command sfc /scan now and hit enter. So this command will take a lot time, around 10 to 15 minutes to complete the process. Till then we will minimize this window and we will execute the next method. So you need to just press Windows key plus R key together to open run, then simply type here %temp% and hit enter. So you will get the multiple files and folders here. So select all these files and folders together and right click on it and select delete. Again we have to go to the run, and this time type in temp and hit enter. Again you will get a lot of files and folders here. Again we have to delete all these files and folders from here. So I have already deleted. You need to delete all these files. Once done, close this window and check out this. So we need to complete this process. Once done, type exit and close the command prompt window and simply restart the system. You can also check out the pinned command to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe the channel.